iGwijo is the songs that we sing when we're playing rugby. And it's a song that we used to sing, when we were going through something, either we were hungry, cold, or we were preparing for a game. And it shows unity as well because, when we sing like that together, no matter what you're feeling, you get into the song and you get into the spirit, you kind of forget whatever it is that you're going through and be in one, while you're singing that songs with whoever is around you. And when I was 15, I played club rugby, and by the time I started playing professional, I got my first contract, and the guys started believing that I can make it for my club, which meant a lot to me. And the week before I played my first game, they sang me this song and they sent me a video. The song means, Mom, what am I gonna do with this child? I'm gonna make him a Springbok. And in course it goes like this. Mama nzomthini lo mntwana nfuna umenzi ibhoko. Mama nzomthini lo mntwana nfuna umenzi. Then the people follow and they go like this. Mama nfuna menza nfuna umenzi ibhoko mama. And then this is the one that we sing now, that I'm trying to teach, which Lot Tiaga likes a lot. I go through from number 1 to 15 before I run out, because we're the guys that are left in the changing room, so I start singing. Let's say Stephen Kitsoff played the week before, and I says, okay, Ngu Stephen lo awangaziyo awazange bam. Ngu Stephen lo awangaziyo awazange. Then awazange bambona awazange bambona awazange bam. Then I go through the whole team, and then at the end I say, this is the Springbok. Libukele awangasiyo awazange bambona awazange bambona awazange. Yeah, that's how it goes.